Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you will be learned like a abstract class in Python. See here, my query is explain abstract class in Python with a simple example. Let's what ChatGPT is giving us an information regarding this. Yes, abstract class is a Python class that is meant by user to blueprint of other classes. So the declaration of classes in earlier lectures we have declared using of the class name directly. Instead of using the class name to maintain a super technique and maintaining of the more hide and see in the presentation like sharing of our class programming to the others will use for abstract classes. So the declaration of the abstract class we can use the ABC class by default module in Python which is already available. So from ABC import ABC capital letters abstract method we have to declare, then we need to implement the program. See class shape ABC, the declaration of this ABC inheriting the built-in method we can declare as an abstract classes, and also at the rate symbol we have to specify an abstract method, which the abstract method is not having a body and it cannot be possibly to declare as a class declaration of abstract method as well as the abstract class. So whenever you can inherited this abstract class to the child classes or base classes, that class we can implement and extend to call the square. See here it's not called for a declaration of shape, here it is a square is only declared here. So what the ranges and all the things are there for the square we will get. Take a copy of this code, we will test in our local area environment. So Python abstract. So paste here and run the program. You will see and you will make a wonder. Area of 16, perimeter of 16. So see, this is the an implementation and we cannot declare shape as a class. It's an abstract class and abstract method as well. So there is a no body. Always you need to write and pass keywords only. And the square with the calculation and area parameter, these two functions only we are able to probably we are calling, and it cannot be visible any other places and it cannot be redeclaration. About to do this as we discussed in this. I hope it's a super easy lecture for you to understand abstract. If you need more examples, you just try with your AI tool. Thank you.